Paris must always be included when discussing travel. London is not just a city, it is a world in itself. Who doesn't enjoy taking a trip where they may relax in an opulent overwater bungalow in Tahiti? Rome wasn't built in a day, and you can't possibly see everything there in just one trip. Phuket is the ideal vacation destination if you've been yearning for a getaway for a while. Bali is nothing less than a paradise in Indonesia. Barcelona is undoubtedly a sight for sore eyes, if there is one city that qualifies. Are you still a traveler, if your Instagram bio says Wanderlust, but you haven't been to Dubai yet? For all adventure seekers out there, Grand Canyons are like a one-of-a-kind gift from God. All travelers should visit Machu Picchu, sometimes referred to as the lost city of the Incas, since it will change their lives. If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.